Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing Titan Limited. In case you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Well, now let's move ahead and see what is happening with the Titan Limited. Guys, this is Titan daily chart. First let me move to Titan weekly chart and let's check out what is happening with the trend. I'll draw both uptrend and downtrend line and see if the trend line has broken. Now let's first draw the uptrend line. Okay, uptrend line looks good, and you can see probably this reversal has come from the trend line itself, somewhere nearby trend line. Now let me draw a downtrend line as well and see what is happening. Okay, this can be the maximum target we can expect. Okay, and what is the reason it has hit at this level? I just want to know the reason it has hit at this level and again reversed slowly. Somewhere here also the fall has not been much, maybe because this trend line is intact. In case this trend line breaks, there can be a momentum on the downside, but before I see what the momentum will be on downside, let me check what is the strong support or resistance we had previously. Okay, this was the resistance what we had. Okay, this was a strong resistance. Let me change it to a different line. Okay, previously this was a resistance which was broken and it was retested recently. You can see here the breakout had come in somewhere around December 1. Yeah, it was in the December 1st week 2020, and it has recently retested previous week, and again it has bounced here. Okay, now let us see the daily chart as well, so that it will be a little easy for us to understand our entry and targets. Okay guys, this is the daily chart what we have on TCS. It's on Titan. Probably TCS will be the next video what I'll be analyzing. Okay, now guys, if you see here, it's a very simple thing what I want to tell you. The biggest resistance what I see here is this 50 moving average. You can see here this 50 moving average has been resting very well. So the most important point for us to take a trade here will be this 50 moving average. In case price closes above this 50 moving average, then probably I can initiate my long trades, and this 50 moving average is somewhere around 1498.80, somewhere here 1498.80. okay, so in case price closes above 1498.80, then probably I can initiate my long trade, because this will act as a resistance. Any close above this, then probably I can initiate my trade for a target of this resistance level, that is somewhere around 1557, almost around 57 points. This can be the target. I'll just draw the resistance line as well here. This, yes, this is going to be target 1, and any close above this trend line, then we can expect this target to come in, that is 1585. okay, this will be the target somewhere 1588, and recently it had formed a double bottom as well, and it has given a break. You can check it out here. This was a double bottom and it has retested this level. This was an important point which has been broken. Let us see what was high here. High was 1474. I hope the closing was above this. Yes, the closing is 1474.20. Guys, there are good chances from here itself it can start moving up to the target of 50 moving average. This 50 moving average will be a strong resistance, remember that, and close above this 50 moving average, it can start moving towards the next target, that is somewhere around, let me mark this, okay, close above 1474.20 was important. So any momentum on the upside, we can see the target 1498.60 and 1549, and close above this trend line we can see 1588 and 1621 on the upside. But for this move to come, remember this 50 moving average will act as a strong resistance. Close above this 50 moving average is also be very important. You can see here whenever price has closed above this 50 moving average, you can just see, observe here, there was a 50 moving average and bullish candle closed above this 50 moving average. Then afterwards there was a good move, swift move on the upside direction. In case we find a good bullish candle closing above 50 moving average, we can expect the same kind of momentum to come in Titan as well. So let's see in the coming week how Titan performs. And on the other side, let me explain you for short trade as well. Let me just remove these drawings first, double bottom what I had drawn. Okay, now in case you want to initiate a short trade, guys, any close or if price sustains above the range low of yesterday's candle, this is the range low 1462.20, you can initiate a trade on the downside, and these are going to be the targets. Max to max this trend line somewhere around 1420, but before that we will have some more supports. Let me draw that as well. This will be the support 1, that is Thursday's candle low 1450.55. This will be the target 1, and below this, yes, we can expect 1420 to come in. So for now I can say Titan Limited, yes, it's hanging in between. In case any close above 1498, it will start move up. Any close below 1462, it can start coming down to 1450, 1421. And below this trend line, yes, we can expect 1389 to again come in. Right, this is a simple analysis I had on Titan Limited. Guys, I have uploaded some more videos. You can go and check it out. There are almost around 8-10 videos I have uploaded today. Now in the next video, I'll again see you. If you enjoy watching my videos, give a like. If you have any doubts on Titan Company Limited, what we analyzed, drop in a comment. I'll try to solve that. Have a good eve, guys. Take care.